there's all sorts of forces in nature. The weather, the water, the dramatic mountains and hills around. There's something phenomenal about being close to nature. My experience of water and how the landscape and the water react with each other is what I am chiefly inspired by. The particular feathers that I've used on this sculpture, they to me resonated very well with the colour of whisky and also, of course, the colour of the water that flows through Scotland. It's almost like sunlight dancing on the water. There are parallels between my work and the whisky making process. I take a very humble material, a feather, and make sculptures of hopefully exquisite beauty. The humble grain of barley is processed over many, many years to make this beautiful whisky. And I love the fact that it's been done the same way for hundreds of years. The pairing of my work with Royal Salute whisky is a perfect combination. They merge together and create something quite magical.